guys, what's up? Welcome to yet our second episode of the series. This time I've got my hat of my bedding adventures. This time we're here at Truganina Park near Altona, and it's a coastal park, so yeah, I've got my hopes up. We've arrived at around midday. It's good for shorebirds, not really the shorebird season, but I've still got my hopes up. It's also got black-winged stilts and also robins. Like a lot of this Australian native robin species have been recorded here. So yeah, let's go. Sure, but I think it's a singing honeyeater. I'm enjoying myself today. It's so This is beautiful. If you look over there, and just the overall scenery is just nice. Surfing elusive honeyeaters, such as the singing honeyeater earlier, and I saw a glimpse of what could have been a robin. I'm not exactly sure, I couldn't really get a good photo, but yeah, fingers crossed it is a female rose robin. I think they're brown quails. They've been recorded here. They are so flippin' rare. That was so epic. Like, I was not expecting that, right? Like, I saw it on eBay, but like, I was not expecting that. We haven't reached the coastal area. We've seen it, obviously, but we haven't gone there. We've already seen singing honeyeaters. We've seen brown quails. We've seen robins. So let's go. Once in my whole life, that's the second time. So yeah, very elusive Victoria Bay. Saw a peregrine falcon, the fastest living animal in the whole world. It can dive up to 400 kilometers per hour. I think kilometers, maybe miles. I have to check on that. But it flew past us, landed in one of those trees, and now it's disappeared. golden-headed sister koala. Golden-headed sister koala, one of the most beautiful Victorian birds. What is that black swan doing? Okay, today's been a really beautiful day. Right? We've seen some of the most elusive birds in all of coastal Victoria. We've seen a lot of rare birds such as the brown quail. We've seen a golden-headed sister koala, maybe two. The second one hid in a salt bush. We've seen a lot of swans, black swans. Sadly, no shorebirds, but yeah. Soon we're going to be heading back that way. So yeah, but we've also seen really small birds such as the singing honeyeater. So yeah, really nice day today. February to November, they could be here. Okay, so it's been a wonderful day here at Truganina Park, and we've seen a lot of rare and elusive birds, such as the brown quail, the peregrine falcon, and the golden whistler. So yeah, I had a really good blast today. And yeah, the day's ending, and if you want to see more of these videos, please like and subscribe.